you enter the address from the intro on this video or from the email that I sent, and it's just an address for your computer to access the print server on the Mac. And it's just http://127.0.0.1:631. So 127.0.0.1 means this computer or your local host. 631 is the port that the computer uses to listen for printer jobs. So I hit enter, and you'll see that you have your CUPS administration. From here, go ahead and hit printers and select the printer that you want to default to black and white. And once you're in that printer, click on administration and hit set default options. The default option, this color, in this case, is going to be to set the color to black and white. So I'm going to hit color. And then down here under color mode, instead of having it be automatic, you can change it to black and white and hit set default option. Username is just the username on your computer. And password is the password that you log in your computer with. And that's it. It says that the default option has been set successfully.